Lusot. No good. Traveling violation by number 5.
1-5 and then sa tulo,
Reset. So, 1-2.
1-2.
Ganito, cash ka kay wala rin ako yung cash.
Diretso.
And then,
No good.
sa next
Out of
Saturday,
bounds.
mag-full to
Ball
sa
game.
uniform exam.
Sige lang.
Matri-
Okay na
Bali,
din.
1-2 ako po.
Oo, 1-2 na lang. Kuya, palihog ko.
Para fully paid.
Okay, number 5.
Sakto na?
Tinido. 221.
Para fully paid.
Back to number 5 again.
And then, ang
Jensen. Foul web. Who's foul? Number 77. First personal foul. First team foul.
Oo, usara ka.
Saturday. And then next Saturday night, Johanna.
Masiluhan na, oo. Depende kung... Basta ang ideal team is hapon.
Rebound by 77. Pass. No good. Ball, blue ball.
Mag-message ka kung
Thank you.
para fully paid na ta. Ha?
Thank you.
Simula sa pagkasa kay number 14. Tumira. No good. Rebound by number 77.
Kaya ko na. Thank you.
Bel, Diretso. Pasok na. Oh. Traveling violation. Blue ball.
Kaya na score.
Wala pa.
Foul pa ka.
Okay, number 31. Sumalaksak. Wala pa rin. Kuha ni number 19 to the 77. Tumira. No good. Rebound by number 5. Diretso. Layups. Yes, 2 points by number 5. That's right. To 31. Number 31, Odeon to 14. And so wala. Airball. Kuha ni number 77 to 5. Okay. Still good. To number 15 to Mirandes. Wala. Number 31. That's all. Masaya, number 14. Number 15. 2 points by number 19. Number 5. Melecho. Foul it. Count. Basket count. Followed by number 31. Number 31. First personal foul. Second team foul. Remaining time, 5 minutes. No good. Kuha pa rin ni number 5, Diretso. Yes, 2 points again by number 5. Ay. 6-2, favor of great team. 7 to 77, Menandos. No good with the pass to 19. No good pa din. Nakuha ni 77. Ay, pinasa sa kalaban. 2 points by number 31. Score 6-4. Remaining time 4 minutes and 15 seconds. Number 5. Diretso. Yes, 2 points again by number 5. 8 point na si number 5. Score 8-4.
Coach Giro.
Number 31, 14. Pinasa kay 7. No good, lumagpas. You drop. Good 2 points again by number 5. Score 10-4. Remaining time 3 minutes and 25 seconds to our first period. Oy! Sagi yung tayo. 31, pinasa kay 40. Passing by 21. To number 19, Tumilan Dos. No good. Point number 14. Yes, 2 points by number 14. Score 10-6. Favor of Great Team. Ay, low ball. By number 5. Blue ball. Remaining time 2 minutes and 42 seconds. Number 31. Ay, still by 91. Oh, traveling violation by a bell. Bola, blue ball. Remaining time 2 minutes and 15 seconds for our first period. Number 14. Nice block. Okay, pinasa sa kalaban. Oh, kuha pa din. Oh, wow. Number 31, blue. Gray ball. Second personal foul.
Wala yung pinemiso, no?
13
Wala na ba?
foul. Wala na.
Si Kian, sabi ko sa'yo, idagdag mo pag kulang.
Hindi, sulit na nga. Tawag na. Dagdagan mo yung mahinang
Yung sila Leonardo, si Aaron. Ito dito.
Sinabihan mo?
Okay.
Andyan ba si Aaron?
Remaining time po natin 1 minute and 30 seconds.
Oo, si Pierre ka. Nangyari pag ito.
Number 5, Twabel. Traveling violation by Bell. Blue ball.
Hindi na kasi yan ako pupunta. Si Pierre ba? Hindi na pupunta. Yung Gera.
Pass the ball to the referee. Remaining time 1 minute and 2 seconds. Third one.
Sorry, I cannot hear you.
Ay, intercept by number 5. Namidalit, pass to number 21. Layup. No good.
I'm sorry,
Rebound by number 5
I cannot
again.
speak right now.
No good. To number 15. No good. Number 15 again. Ulit. Yes, 2 points by number 15. Ay. Score 12-6. Favor Great Team. Number 31. Medyo nag-fake. Blocked by number 21. Number 5. Number 5, Dumilecho. No good. Lumagpas to number 15. Basket count. Foul number 77. 4-team foul warning for penalty. Score. Time na pala. Time of the first quarter. Labas lahat. 1 shot left. Sorry. No good. Score natin sa ating first period. 14/6. Lamang. Rocket, Team Gray. Back to the ball game. Blue ball. Blue ball. Team Blue, ball up. second quarter. Theo. Dribbling the ball. Pass to number 8. Lorena. To Theo again. Oh. And 3 seconds violation by number 19. Gray ball. Score 16-6. Number 31. It's a foul. Basket down. Who's fouled it? Number 31. Holding foul. Score 16-9 in favor of Team Rocket. Number 5, no good. Rebound by number 19. Number 8, Alena. Militso. Pass at 31. Back by Abel. Simple. Time out. Blue. Score 16-9 in favor of the Rocket. Remaining time 8 minutes and 15 seconds to our second period.
Let's make it loud, yeah. Ain't you sad? We make it proud, yeah. Get fresh tight, we lock it down. Fast break fly, we on this count. Team first mindset, that's the code. Pressure high, but we never fold. Different jerseys, one belief. Hard work brings a sweet relief. Every practice made us strong. Now the arena sings along. It's more than a game. It's family. It's discipline. It's unity. Through every fall, we stand tall. Together we rise. We give our all. This is A to Z. From A to Z, we rise, we lead. Built on heart and unity. That's a A to Z. Energy. This is A to Z. From start to victory.
Back to the ball game. No good. Rebound by number 15. It's a pass back to number 5. Mileto. No good. Rebound to 19. 29 to 8. Hey, mali ang pinasahan. Nakuha ni number 2. Yeah. Foul. Who's fouled up? Who's fouled up? Number 19. Salazar. Offensive foul committed by number 15. Remaining time 7 minutes and 5 seconds. Ay, nakagawa ni number 5. Mileto, pass out to 21. Yes, 2 points by number 21. Score 18-9. Favor of great Team Rocket. There. To number 19. Great. Tumena. No good. Out of bounds. Ball on the grade. 6 minutes and 25 seconds to our second period. Number 5. Number 15. Diretso. No good. Nakuha ni 15 again. Wala pa rin. Agaw ng blue. Number 8. Ay! Sobrang pasa. Gray ball. Number 5. Meron ng dos. Wala. Rebound ni 15. Nagagawa sila ni 15 to 15. 18 to 31. To number 8. Yes, 2 points by number 8. 8 ka. Lagi na lang. Score 18-11. Favor of Team Rocket. Number 5.
Ay, stop.
Sub. Then to shoot. Yes, 2 points by Bell. Dale, Diretso. Yes, 2 points by Dale. Minute time, 3 minutes and 45 seconds.
Sakto na? 12?
3 minutes?
Sila.
No. 13, 20. No good. Rebound by the 19. Pass at the 25. Last 2. Number 21. Libre. No, wala pa din. Black, foul left. Who's foul? Number 21. Substitution left. Third team foul, Team Gray. Running time, 2 minutes and 53 seconds. Where's the them? Yes, pass up. Pass at them, ready to rebound. Good. One, number 17. Diretso. Wala. To number 5. Pamadali. Layup. Very good. To 21. Still by Theo. Out of bounds. Great ball. Substitution left. Time out. Great. Minute time, 2 minutes and 9 seconds to our second quarter. Score 23-14. Favor of Team Rocket, color red.
This is A2Z. We started with a dream and a ball in our hands. Shit in every move, never taking the stand. From the first girl to the bright lights glow. Step by step, now watch us grow. No shortcuts, we earned our name. Spread on the court, respect the game. From the baseline up to the key, everything we do. A to Z. Letter by letter, building strong. Every step back, made it slow. For the moment, for the stage. Now we write our legacy page. This is A2Z. From A to Z. We rise, we lead. Built on heart and unity.
Back to the ball game. Okay, last 2 minutes and 9 seconds in second period. Two basket count. Who's fouling? Number 14. seconds. Ready to rebound. No good. Kuha. Nakuha ulit ng number 5. Diretso. No good. Rebound by number 8. Number 8. Dribbling the ball. Diretso. That's by number 5. Foul by number 5. Pushing foul. Great team. Warning for penalty. Remaining time 1 minute and 15 seconds. Okay. Number 8 to number 23. 10 to shoot. 7 seconds. 7 seconds. Ay, nakago. Idea. Number 2. Number 5 to 21. Yes, 2 points by number 21. Remaining time 40 seconds. Yeah. Number 23. Wala. Ay, out of bounds, ball break. Remaining time 20 seconds. 10 seconds. 5. And time for a second quarter. Score 24-14 in favor of Great Team.
Wala kasi yung shot clock niya.
Great ball. Back to the ball game.
Yeah, I have. Wait.
Now we write our legacy page. This is A2.
Great ball.
What happened?
1-15. Back to 21. Steal by number 7. Steal again by 21. Okay, nagagawan. Nagkakabola na po. 21 to 97 to 77. Double. Number 77. Number 14.
This is A2.
15 to shoot. Foul. Number 15 foul. First team foul in third period by Great Team. Number 8 to 14 to 77. No good. Rebound by 27 to number 2. Derecho. Layup. No good. Rebound by number 8. Steal by number 2. Back to back. Blue ball. Running time, 8 minutes and 20 seconds. Number 8, foul. Number 21, pushing foul.
Graduate, number 15. Open!
Second team foul on Team Gray.
Arbor!
Gray ball. Blue, sorry. 77. Wala. To number 7. Wala pa rin. To 77. Pass ulit. And left. Traveling violation. Blue ball ulit.
Open!
14. Number 31. Menendez. Yes, 2 points. Score 26-14. Favor of Great.
Blue man na kayo.
Sorry. 24-16. Sorry, nabaliktad na ako. Baliktad na pala. Number 31. Left by 2. And good by number 31. Score 24-18. Anim na lang. 6 points lead by number 8 Gray. Then, pushed by 7-7. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 2, number 15. 10 seconds. Good, rebound by 31. Good na nakuha ni 21 ulit. Pass. Okay. Pinipit ng bola. Traveling violation by number 21. Blue ball. Score 24-18. Remaining time 6 minutes and 3 seconds. Number 14. Number 31. No good. Rebound by number 2. Diretso. Layup. Bad pass. Number 7. Number 31. Number 14. Wala pa din. Ay, nagagawan sila. Wala ka rin. Rebound by 31. 7. Yes. 2 points by number 7. Score 24-20. 4 points lead by Team Gray. Well, Salazar. Wala. Rebound by number 77. Ay, ganda no. To number 7 ulit. Foul! Basket down. Who's fouling? Number 2. Team Gray, third team foul. Score 24-22.
Good pass, Jason!
Ready to rebound. Wala. Wala. Nakuha ni 7-7. Diwain yung one.
Jason! Hey, come on!
Bad jump. Pull up jump. Yeah. Ay, gumawa pa. Gumawa ni 31 na mga diretso. Yes, 2 points for number 31. Score 24. Deadlock na po na. Deadlock. 24 all. Remaining time, 4 minutes. 21. 15 seconds to shoot. 3 seconds violation. Gray ball. Blue ball, sorry. Tabla. 24 all. Number 14. Hey, steal by number 15. Sola. Yes, 2 points. 24. 14.
Attack, Aaron!
Back to number 8. Side step. Pasa to 7-7 to Menandos. No good.
Time out, time out, time out, time out, time out.
Time out. Blue team. Score 26-24. Lamang dalawang team Rockets. Remaining time 2 minutes and 53 seconds. Our third quarter.
This is a Tuesday. We started with a dream and a ball in our hands. Letting every move like we're taking this stand. From the first drill to the right last glow. Step by step, now watch us grow. No shortcuts. We earn our names. On the court, respect the game. From the baseline up to the game. Everything we do. Let it all build a home. Every setback made us long. For the moment, for the stage. Now we ride our legacy page. This is a Tuesday. From A to Z. We rise, we lead. Built on harder. That's a Tuesday.
Back to the ball game. Back to the ball game. Blue team.
Aaron! Jason! Good. Alex! Alex! Screen, Alex! Alex, screen!
Hey, 20-77 to 21 to Venecio. Pull up jump, no good. Rebound by number 7. Number 7.
Good. Attack!
31. 31. Pass to 7 again. Up. 10 seconds to shoot. 31. 5 seconds. Ay! 2 points by number 14. Score 26 all. Minute time 2 minutes and 13 seconds. Number 21. Last. Double team. Hey, out of bounds. Ball line. Blue. Last 2 minutes. Number 14. Yep, no good. Rebound by number 15. Nice. Agaw with the number 77. Pass to number 31. Derecho. Yes, 2 points by number 31. Score 26-28. Number 21. Number 18. Milates. Milan. Rebound by number 7 to number 8. Pass to 31. Solo. Ay, umabot sa 15. No good. Rebound by 14. Pinasa kay number 8. Diba? Bola pa rin ng blue team. Remaining time, 50 seconds.
Go! Screen! Alex! Aaron, cut! Open!
Number 14, no good. Number 77, 21. Madali. Foul. Number 31, first team foul. Remaining time, 10 seconds. 5, 5 seconds. And about third period. Score 26-28. 12 points lead by Team Houston. Back to the ball game. Great ball. Five, wala. Rebound pa rin ang number 5. 2 points by number 5. Score 28-all. Meantime, 9 minutes and 30 seconds to our last period. Number 19, wala. Number 5. That's up. They're up. 2 points by number 5. There, number 16. The number 89. Little jump. No good. Number 15. Oh, number 15. First team foul, Team Gray. No. One more shoot, ready to rebound. Wala pa rin. Number 8, sa kanila pa ng bola. 29. Hey, wala pa. 31, pass to number 16. Pass to number 29. 5 seconds to shoot. Double in violation. Number 5, Diretso. They're good. One, number 8. 31. 29. Block by 21. Basket count. Team Gray, second team foul. Ay. Score 30-all. Meantime, 7 minutes and 27 seconds.
Rebound! Down! Down!
Isa sa mic.
Blue ball pa rin, blue ball. 14 seconds. Ay, aga pa number 5. That's up. Yes, 2 points by number 5. Score 32-30. Number 16. There. Pass by 21. Pass on number 29. To the 16 again. Ah, still by number 21. Side step. Ay. substitution left. Number 16, Team Blue, that is first team foul. Remaining time, 6 minutes and 18 seconds. Number 15, Ali, di umabot. Number 7, number 7. Back by number 7. Nakakuha pa ng number 8 to 31. Ay! Up, saved by number 31. Out of bounds by Gray. Time out! Blue. Remaining time, 5 minutes and 53 seconds for our last period. Score 32-30. 2 points lead by Team Gray.
This is A2Z. From A2Z, we rise, we lead. Built on high unity. That's a A2Z. Energy. This is A2Z. From the storm to victory. A2Z. Oh yeah.
Back to the ball game. Our last period. Score 32-30. 2 points leads by Team Rockets.
Go, Alex! Alex!
15. Jump ball. Team Gray ball.
Go!
15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds. No good. Rebound back to 14. 21. No good. 10 seconds. 5. No good. Rebound number 8. Pass to number. Ay, go. Foul. Who's fouled up? Foul. Number 29. Second team foul, the blue team. Remaining time, 4 minutes and 48 seconds. Number 5. 15 seconds, up. Number 8, team foul. Blue team, third team foul. 14 seconds. Ten seconds. 5 seconds. Good. Nagpas mo. Nagpas. Blue ball. Score 32 all. Remaining time 3 minutes and 36 seconds. Number 5, Melendos. No good. Number 8. Number 8. Tulak by number 15. Foul. Pushing foul. Team Gray, third team foul. Winning time, 3 minutes and 13 seconds. Number 31. Good, good. Ay, nagagawan pa yung dalawang Team Gray. Number 7. Kuha na number 15. Sa pasa pala. 21. Na-play. Yes, 2 points by 21. Score 34-32. Oh. Lucky foul, number 21. Warning for penalty, Team Gray. 31. Number 7. Yes, 2 points by number 7. Score 34 all. Remain time 2 minutes and 27 seconds. Then, yes, 2 points by Adele. Number 21. 2 points by number 21. Number 8. Blocking foul, number 15. Penalty. 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 Stop time na po tayo. Last 1 minute and 58 seconds. Wala. First shot. Second shot, ready to rebound.
Sino naman?
36-34. 2 points.
Gray.
Ay, blue.
Okay, Aaron!
Wala. Next pa ng shoes. Okay. Ready to rebound. Kuha na number 15. The number 21. Ay, nagpaibot. No good. Nagpapalit niya. 3 points by number 15. Score 39-34. Remains on 1 minute and 45 seconds. Number 8. No good. Took by number 2. Number 5.
Double team!
14 seconds. 10. Back to 14. Rebound by number 8. Number 14. Number 21. No good to 14 again. Wala pa din. Rebound by number 5. Remaining time 1 minute and 5 seconds. Trouble. Remaining time 1 minute and 5 seconds. Blue ball team. Substitution. Remaining time 1 minute and 5 seconds. And this. Wala. Rebound by Jam. Pass to number 15. 3 points. Wala. To number 21. 2 points by number 21. Score 41-34. Remaining time 40 seconds. Number 8. Yes, 2 points by number 10. Team Gray. Remaining time 38 seconds. Score 41-36. Penalty Team Gray. And 30 foul by Blue Team.
This is a Tuesday. From A to Z. We rise, we lead. The dawn. It's a Tuesday. Energy. This is a Tuesday. From the start to victory. Hands up. Let's make it loud. Yeah. A Tuesday. We make it proud. Yeah. Get friends tight. We lock it down. Fast break fly. We on this count. Team first mindset. That's the code. Pressure high. We never fold. Different jerseys. One belief. Hard work brings us sweet relief.
for the Team Gray. 41-36. Team Gray. Gray ball. Remaining time 38 seconds. 38 seconds. Gray ball.
Closer, middle. Hit middle. Now. Come on. Axel. Pull it.
15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Back to 15. Rebound by number 15. 10 seconds. Number 8. Voila. 4 seconds remaining to our last period. 4 seconds. End of our first game. Winner, Team Gray. 41-36. 5-point lead by Team Gray. Shake hands. Nice game. You're both doing great well.